when we invite the spirituality to relative world. The unease is there. The unease is there because the awareness is watching what you're doing, isn't it? The idea or the ego self want to incorporate the spiritual practice to daily life, and when you do it, there's unease in you, and your awareness is watching the unease in you. You already know that it doesn't work, but you're still pushing to integrate the practice, and it becomes forceful, isn't it? It is already forceful. We don't have to bring the spiritual practice to our daily life. We don't need it. Anything we add into our moment is a struggle, including the spiritual practice. We need to be part of the moment and witness the moment and learn from the moment and organize ourselves in the moment, not adding the spiritual layer. Notice when you start to bring the spiritual practices into your daily life in your meeting. For example, you are in the meeting, you try to invite that. You're focusing on your breath while you're trying to hear what's happening in the meeting. You're self-aware, and you're still being part of the meeting. So when you start to focus on something, you're already missing what's happening in the moment, isn't it? You're trying to remember your spiritual practice. You're forgetting what's happening in the moment. The focus is divided in you, and the divided focus makes you not aware of the moment, and also adds struggle in you. So don't try to add any spiritual practice into your daily life. The only thing you need in your daily life is awareness.